In this video, I'll show you how to watch live TV on Xfinity Stream. So you usually need an Xfinity TV subscription, an Xfinity account, and internet connection. And you can all watch on your phone, tablet, PC, smart TV, or device streaming, or streaming devices basically like Roku or Fire TV. So first of all, if you go to xfinity.com website, you can go here to TV and streaming and click on overview. Once you do so, as you can see, you'll find here live TV. So first of all, it's possible to watch live TV on Xfinity streams. So here you can go and click on Explore Xfinity TV, click on that, and here you'll need to build your plan to watch the live TV. If you scroll here, you'll find, as you can see, three plans: TV Core, Sports and News TV, or Award Soccer Tickets. So as you can see, you can get whatever you want. Of course, each plan comes with better features. Like here, you get an example, the box and voice remote included as well. If you want to watch this as an example on your TV at home. But if you do want to watch it as an example at your PC, phone, tablet, Mac, whatever you want, you can, as example, scroll down here. Of course, let's assume that you already have a plan because without a plan, you will not be able to do it. You can scroll down and click here on download Xfinity Stream. Once you download this example, so as you can see, you can download an App Store and Play Store. And if we scroll down, we'll find compatible devices. Here, as you can see, all these devices, you'll be able to watch it on. You can see here the requirements, but it doesn't take a lot. You just would like a screen that can cast 4K if you want to watch the full like resolution that you pay for, and you should be good to go. So download it, log in into your account, and you'll be able to watch it as soon as possible. As I said, if you have a plan. If you buy the other plan to get a box like this one, you'll be able to get a box and you can install it in your TV and you'll be able to watch it without any problems. So, yeah, if you download the app, you can just go and open live TV section and watch whatever channel you want, the one that you choose. And keep in mind that each plan comes with some specific amount of DVR. You can use DVR playback feature if your plan include that. Basically, this will let you record live TV and then pause and rewind it if you want. You can watch saved recorders wherever you want or however you want. So this is you'll get basically 150 hours of DVR. And if you get better plans, of course, you'll get always more and more. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.